Yeah, wala na. Pinatay ko na. Ano yun, Kurt? A is adorable. Tama ba?
A, you're adorable. C, the beautiful.
C, you are so charming and beautiful.
A, you're adorable. C, the beautiful. D, you're akit na pula siyang.
D, you're my doggy. E, you're my elephant. G, you are the goat of my life.
Ano yan? Animal.
Paano ba? Paano ba?
Hey, you're adorable. C, you're so beautiful. D, you're akit na pula siyang. D, you're my darling. I have a feather in my arm.
Walang E. Paano ba yun? Di ba tama? A, you are... Ano bang...
Walang exciting. Ay, walang exciting. Ay, walang exciting. Ito niya.
Hinaan. A, you are adorable. B, you're my bear. C, you're the cat of my life.
Ay, mali.
D, you're my doggy. E, you're my elephant. F, you're the dog of my life.
Mali kayo.
Paano ba yun?
Tama naman yun yan.
Tama ka tayo ni.
Hindi eh.
Paano ba yun? Oo. G, you're the goat to me. H, you're the horsey. I, you're the iguana of my life.
Ay, mali.
And J, you're the jaguar. K, you're the kangaroo. L, you're the...
Mali.
Hindi mo nga kami tinuturuan eh. Nakakainis naman no. Tama naman ata kinakanta namin eh.
Adorable. Ayaw ko na nga.
Nakakasabay kami.
Ay, hindi ka na eh.
Hindi, wala akong naging game. Binis oh. Close na namin, mouse namin.
Kita.
Oh, hindi na. Oo, sige.
Like a aso, be like a baboy.